Hey guys, it's Elliot here from Exceptional Individuals, and today we're going to be talking about dyspraxia. So what is dyspraxia, you ask? Well, according to Google and the Oxford Dictionary, dyspraxia is a developmental disorder of the brain in childhood causing difficulty in activities requiring coordination and movement. Dyspraxia is also called DCD, which stands for Developmental Coordination Disorder, and unfortunately it has cruelly been given the nickname Clumsy Child Syndrome. But the exact cause of dyspraxia is still unknown, but some causes could be due to a pregnancy, or if dyspraxia or any form of neurodiversity such as dyslexia runs in your family. Some known examples of people that have dyspraxia are Daniel Radcliffe, Cara Delevingne, Albert Einstein, Florence Welch from Florence and the Machine, David Bailey, who is a photographer, and Emma Llewellyn-Buck, who is the Labour MP of South Shields. Over the course of this series, we'll go further into dyspraxia, what it truly is, how it can affect someone, and how you can use dyspraxia to your advantage.